friend Riya Panchal to present to us a lecture on biofuels, a very hot area of research that is supposed to be a promising substitute to fossil-based fuels like diesel and petrol. Please, Riya, now the stage is yours. Present to us the lecture on biofuels.
Good afternoon. Today's topic is biofuels. The dwindling supply to fossil-based resources and increasing environmental issues have been focusing attention on a possible approaches to making the chemicals and the biofuels from a sustainable biomass. These approaches are focused on cutting-edge biorefinery research, including the cell-based biotechnology, synthesis biology, and green chemistry recently. Several articles and the biorefinery concept and the processes, including within an undergraduate curriculum, have been published that describe converting biomass into biofuels, biochemicals, and the functions material by the combination of the biorefinery concept with the green chemistry. For example, a population laboratory exercise entails the conversion of oil and fats into a biodiesel from plant seeds and algae. Bradley and Burkert developed an algal biofuels experimental for a science course that include extraction of algal lipids and
Transesterification into
a biodiesel rather than a sequential extraction and a
esterification. Transesterification. Yeah.
The combination of the two processes into one pot of cause minimize the amount of shopping material furnished and make the work of more transportable. Other laboratory exercise where a bioethanol derived from a cellulose or a starch by separation, hydrolysis and a fermentation and or simultaneous and a fermentation. This cellulose conventionally lignin has typically been neglected as a feedstock and or burned to power the process operation from the viewpoint of technology, economy analysis and calorimetric evaluation. Lignin valorization in a crucial prerequisite for a pilot scale development of a successful biorefinery. The scholarly literature is replete with account of the lignin conversion into a value-added product, such as aromatics, hydrocarbons, organic acid, and polymers. Biodiesel production has been introduced in a both chemistry and biotechnology laboratory
Curricula. Yeah, I hope we will maybe in the next semester have some curriculum on biofuels like biodiesel and bioethanol in our curriculum. Yeah, next.
Traditionally, liquids extraction from plant seeds and algae, where plants esterified to biodiesel, biochemical and enzyme.
Yeah, excuse me, Riya. Here I have to make a remark. As Riya has told, major biofuel is biodiesel. Okay, biodiesel is produced from lipids. Lipids are called triglycerides. Chemically, they are called triglycerides. Oil, the oil we for cooking. That oil is triglyceride. The vegetable oils and all. After cooking, most of the restaurants will have oil waste. No, that oil waste can be used as source of triglyceride, and it can be transesterified with alcohol like methanol. Okay, when triglyceride is reacted to methanol in the presence of enzymes or base catalysts like calcium oxide, strontium oxide, what will we get is fatty acid methyl ester or fatty acid alkyl ester. This is what is called biodiesel. Riya, may I know, is this paper taken from Journal of Chemical Education?
Lignocellulosic has been used directly to cultivate oleaginous yeast and yield microbial lipids which can transesterification into biodiesel in a situ. However, to the best of our knowledge, the integrated biorefinery lignocellulose has not been a report in a student laboratory experiment. Comparison of education experiment and the biorefinery concept using a different feedstock products and the technology that the summarize the literature treatments and the extent of a coverage, including the experimental preparation of hemicellulose and cellulose hydrolysis. Two types of hydrolysis were prepared by sequentially 1% H2SO4 and cellulose hydrolysis respectively. The hemicellulose hydrolysis enrichment of a C5 sugar was found owing to the presence of aldehyde ketone and the unique skips. The average content of a reducing sugar in an experiment was 44.74 gram per liter. The cellulose hydrolysis enrichment of a C6 sugar was light yellow in color and the total content of a reducing sugar in the experiment was 81.27 gram per liter. Therefore, the carbohydrate compound is corn cob material were maximally converted to fermentable sugar by the dilute acid treatment and the enzyme hydrolysis.
Yeah, could you follow? What is the biomass that is used? Corn cob. You know, in China, corn is used as breakfast. Corn means maize. You know maize? Gujarat में क्या कहते हैं गुजराती में? Corn cob. Corn cob means after eating the maize, the cone-like thing will be there, no? Inside. Can anyone show the picture of corn cob? Photo दिखाइए ना? Corn cob. In China, while I was in China, in the breakfast I used to eat corn from the cob directly, corn cob. That is used as a source of, reducing sugars by using dilute acid treatment followed by, these are the corns, but corn cob होता है inside में waste होता है ना, वो corn cob दिखाए ना, corn cob का image ये है, this is corn cob, thank you. This is what is called corn cob. After eating the corn, देखिए ना, this is corn cob. This is used as a source of C5 and C6 sugars. C5 and C6 sugars are not used for, thank you Harshit. C5 and C6 sugars, Harshit, Panchasara. C5 and C6 sugars are not used for biodiesel. What is used for biodiesel is oils from algae, triglycerides. Triglyceride is the starting material for biodiesel. C5 and C6 sugars are the starting material for ethanol. You should be able to distinguish what is the source. Because I have worked on bioethanol, because I have worked on biodiesel, I have some knowledge on biofuels. Reliance has a very strong biorefinery. If some of you can get into Reliance, that will be ideal. Okay, much can be done there. The Reliance produces many patents every now and then. Day in and day out they apply for patents. Riya, please go ahead. You see, excuse me. Previously, when Riya has talked of algal biomass, Riya has spoken on lipids, extraction of lipids from algae and then converting the lipids to biodiesel by transesterification reaction. Now, Riya is showing another kind of biofuel, what is called as bioethanol. Okay. The energy density of biodiesel is equivalent to that of gasoline, okay? Whereas the energy density of bioethanol is slightly lower than gasoline. So which is preferred? Biodiesel is the preferred fuel compared to bioethanol as far as the energy densities are concerned. But it's not a matter of preference, it's not a matter of choice. We have no other go. We need some other fuel for running our vehicles, no? So at a time, we need to develop methodologies for producing various kinds of biofuels, biodiesel, bioethanol, okay, biobutanol. Biobutanol can be a starting material for polymers and other things, and many other things can be produced from bioethanol. What are all the chemicals that we are producing from fossil based fuels? They can be in principle produced from biomass as well. Please go ahead, Riya. Cerevisiae. Cerevisia.
was carried out for the ethanol production.
Excuse me. You have heard one of our friends talking on Baker's yeast for ethanol production. Devansh Dattaria has delivered a presentation on Baker's yeast. Very recently, some other student has spoken on Baker's yeast. On in that context, I talk of cellulose. Who is the student that talked on lately on bioethanol? Shreya has given a beautiful presentation on bioethanol. I hardly forget. I can remember each of your presentations because each of you has made a mark. For nuclear waste management. Shivani has delivered a very good presentation. Like that. Unfortunately, we did not get opportunity to listen to Shreya on finer details of what are the strategies that one need to adopt. We missed the bus, unfortunately. However, because we have the presentation of Shivani, I will upload the presentation and I advise all of you to go through the lecture topic. Okay. Shreya has given a very good lecture on bioethanol production from pineapple waste. Okay, in the pineapple waste, it was mixed with yeast. I told you shmarim in Hebrew. Shmarim is in botanical name is, biological nomenclature is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is the botanical name. Yeah, here it is read as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Excuse me, 11.01 gram per liter means how many grams per 100 ml? 0.11 grams per 100 ml means it is 0.1%, less than 1% of ethanol concentration. Please go ahead.
Achieve approximately 54% theoretical yield. Student successfully graduate the skill of bioethanol preparation from the one of biomass, including a acid treatment, enzymatic catalysis, and a fermentation of glucose. Lipid-based sunscreen preparation enhance the market competitiveness of a biorefinery.
Have you seen the connectivity? Ashish, did you see the connectivity? So far, Riya is talking on biofuels. Now her focus is shifted to not biofuels, sunscreens. These are not biofuels. These are cosmetics. Have you understood the link? This रुकिए ना एक बार. This is to make the biofuel production process competitive. The waste lignin in the process, the waste glycerol in the process need to be converted to useful products. That's what she meant. Okay, quickly. बताइए ना, please.
Valorization is a crucial prerequisite for a pilot scale development of lignocellulosic biorefinery required its develop an lignin-based broad spectrum sunscreen with excellent performance. It provides a green alternative to systematic sunscreen as a new potential outlet for lignin vaporization. The UV transmission characteristics of a lignin-based sunscreen were compared with the commercial sunscreen. Results show that the addition of lignin into a broad lotion was significantly increase the UV transmission of the lotion, including the UVA and the UVB. However, while the lignin can be used as a broad spectrum sun blockade, formidable challenge remains to solve the issue of a brown color and a poor dispersity of a lignin in a pure lotion.
Dispersity of lignin in pure lotion. Yeah.
In the experiment, the agriculture waste was successfully
This is a big problem. कोई problem है हम ले लेंगे.
decomposed and
Yeah.
composed.
रहने दीजिए ना. हाँ. Yeah,
In the
please.
experiment, students successfully employed an integrated biorefinery state guide the demonstration the convention of a heavy cellulose and a lignin into potentially value added products.
I want. Can you please read for us the conclusion? Conclusion once again, Riya.
In this experiment, students successfully employ an integrated biorefinery state guide to demonstration the convention and heavy cellulose and liquid into a potentially value-added product, reducing the sugar, biodiesels, bioethanol, and the liquid phase sun blocker. Through this set of laboratory experiments and related instruction undergraduate student gained a deeper insight into status, challenges and prospects of lignocellulosic biorefinery effort and also obtained a laboratory skill related to biomass conversion. The integrated biorefinery approach allows the undergraduate student to develop a clean and a suitable chemistry concept of practice. The skilled student learn into an experiment will support their future work in the industry or an advanced degree in the chemical science. Engineering with this laboratory experiment can help students connect what they see to chemistry, sustainability and future employment.
Thank you, Riya, for a very eloquent lecture. It's very informative, and we are honored to hear your presentation. Thank you very much. Let us give a big hand to Riya and in appreciation.